Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are diving into the world of customization as we explore how to create a sleek alphabetical scroll indicator for a list of contacts. In this video, I want to show how to connect the scroll indicator to the list. Here is the output of what we did in the part 1. I changed the design of the part 1 a little bit. Like I hide the scroll indicator, I added some padding to the right. Also, I removed the duplicate character in the indicator. Looking good, right? But we are not done yet. Let's add some functionality to our indicator so users can actually navigate through our list. To start off, let's wrap our view into a scroll view reader. This allows us to interact with the scroll view and provide custom functionality. Next, we'll assign a unique ID to each row in our list. This step is crucial for enabling a smooth scrolling to specific positions within the list. Before we move on, let's define a closure in our scroll indicator view. This closure will inform our list when a user taps on an item in the scroll indicator.
Close the bathroom door. Close the bathroom door.
Now, for the final step, we'll use the scroll to function. This function informs the scroll view reader about the position of the view that needs to be scrolled to based on the user interaction with the scroll indicator. And there you have it. With just a few lines of code, we have created a customized scroll indicator that enhances the user experience of navigating through our list of contacts. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. You can find the link to the source code in the video's description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more SwiftUI tutorials. See you in the next video.